Hey guys, today I wanted to show you what is this 6 cubic organizer shelf from Room Essentials could do. I mean, this is the finished product right here. That's what it looks like in the back and the front. Just wanted to give you overview before I start putting it all together. My goal is to make it easy for you. It's better if you follow instructions. Every company might be different, but this particular company, this particular shelf came like this, and this is the stuff that it came with. So I didn't hide anything. I got the video. I made the video to help people, to help you set up this organizer. It's pretty interesting. I bought it for $37 from Target, and I wanted to show you those boards. They come all tagged up, they're all labeled, and it also comes with instructions. This instruction is designed to give you a direct direction, complete direction with pictures and instructions in English, and I believe it also has Spanish version as well. It's pretty simple to follow. It's very simple. I didn't have any issue. I was able to follow step by step, and I was able to do the video as you will see further down. So, a couple of things to remember, like these two plugs, they come in two different sizes. And this nail right here, the screw, I mean, one size, and those plastic tabs, they're also one size, and that one is the anchoring on the wall so it doesn't fall off. So we're going to take the B and the D, and we're going to put it together. We're going to use simple method. We're going to use in this case the short ones. Remember, they come with the short plugs and the long ones. We're just going to use short one in the second side of the plyboard. We're going to have to use the long ones, as you see on the video. So while we get set up with this, I want to tell you a little bit about this thing. They come in two colors. They've been around for a while now, for a very long time. It gives your traditional bookshelf a modern update with the 6 cube organizer shelf. The cube openings are great for storage and compatible with 11-inch storage bins. This item can be displayed horizontally or vertically and is stackable in horizontal orientation. So that's also good. Perfect for organizing any room in the home. This cube organizer shelf comes with all hardware included to clean, wipe, and dry clothes. The weight capacity of the shelf when you have this organizer in a vertical position is 15 pounds. Top shelf weight capacity is 35 pounds. When you use it for horizontal, the top shelf capacity is going to be 50 pounds. So only required tools you're going to need is screwdriver and a hammer. The dimension is on the website if you wanted to look at it. The material is particle board, framing, and surface material is paper laminated. It's easier if you have two adults, but you could do this on your own as you see me do it. Number of shelves are 3. The entire shelf weight capacity is 30 pounds. It's a good buy, I think, overall, for the price and for what you could do with this. I bought two of these. I wanted to stock them one on top of the other. And I got it stocked up in my closet, one over the other in a vertical position. But if you want to, if you have the space, you could stack it horizontally, one after another. Shouldn't be a problem at all. So right now, in this case, we're in the second stage. Pretty much once you get the first board going, first two boards together, you just do the same thing again and again. And you see they come in two different sizes. For the middle ones, you need the long ones, not the short one. The short ones are for the ends. So one more shelf, we're going to go through this. We're going to do one more shelf, then we'll be ready to put the side ones. It's very simple. I mean, look at this video, look at the instruction that it comes with, and then just follow the instructions. This video is going to show you exactly what's on the instructions, but I always find it useful when you look at the video, and you buy the product, you look at the video again, and then you have the instruction with you. So, you don't make any mistakes. And I don't see a reason to be making any mistakes. It's very simple steps to follow. Anyone could do it. It doesn't take long. It took me about 30 minutes maybe a little bit less than that. So the screws like this goes on the if you, depending on how you look at it, from top to bottom, one screw on the top and one on the bottom. This is what will hold all the pieces together. So right now, what I wanted to show you, I'm going to show you a big view right here. The screw was for the ends, for the top and the bottom. Now I'm ready to put the sideboards on, and these two sideboards, they are exactly identical. So all I have to do is put the sideboards, and we'll be ready to go. So now we're going to go and find the board that goes on the side. As you see, there are pre-drilled holes, so you can't miss it. The board is also labeled. You can't miss that. Just follow through, follow the step one by one. So in this case, the organizer is designed very well. It's pretty sturdy. We're going to go and put the screws in. I didn't use any power tool for two reasons. Material can't handle power tool. And if you're experienced, it can be done, yes. But for the beginners, these videos I make for the beginners and people who don't really have power tool. So for you, screwdriver is good enough. It just takes time, that's all. If you want to use an electric screwdriver, you can, but it'll just give you more force behind the screw, and it'll make your life a little easier. But you need to be careful of those holes. If you don't line up the nail with the hole, and you might dig into the wrong side of the panel, and your finished product is going to look bad. So just please be mindful of where the screw is going. Make sure the screw that you're going to put, it's going into the pre-drilled hole already. And that's very important because it's designed, to work that way. You just can't make your own hole and put the screw in and expect it to work. It won't. So this is the only thing that I think it's very important to note. So I got this video on the speed. I don't want to waste too much of your time. So I just put it on speed, and I'm doing the other side. The reason I'm showing you both sides so that you see my instructions in detail. My intention is to give you a detailed instruction as possible, make this video useful, make people benefit from it. And please don't forget to subscribe. That helps the channel a lot. And share it with your family and friends. Really appreciate that. Just focus on the screw. You see, I got this close view of this video. I want to show you that you put the screw in, and make sure you use the screwdriver. Another reason to use the screwdriver as opposed to the power tool, the screwdriver is going to give you complete control of your project. You're not going to make any mistake because you are using your own force to get the job done. So right now we are pretty much ready to put the backboard. This particular thing organizer comes with 3 different pieces. I wish it came with more, but it looks like given the strength, 3 is enough. I guess the manufacturer tried to make it efficient, and it does seem that way. My goal is to show you step-by-step instructions in a video format. So that's why I'm recording everything, and I'm going to speed up this video so you see what has to be done. These boards, luckily, they come pre-drilled already, so you know exactly where the nail goes. All you have to do is make sure the board is aligned with the organizer. So we got the 2 on. Now we are putting in the 3rd one. After that, the unit is ready to be used. Lastly, you have these plastic caps. I don't know what the manufacturer calls it, but these things are pretty good because what it does, it covers up your screw that you have on the side. It goes right on the screw head, and once you have it there, what I like to do is I like to tap it in place with a hammer so it won't come off easily. So I went ahead and did this, I believe 6 or 8 screws on each side so that my finished product comes out great, as you see it over here. I wanted to show you every step. So now, lastly, you have these caps that it comes with. Now, on top of the shelf, you have 2 pre-drill holes. Those holes are for if you need to stack up, if you need to put another unit, so it stays aligned with the 2nd unit and the 1st unit. They stay aligned. So in this case, I'm going to flip this over, so I put the cap there. All right, because I'm not planning on stacking up on this side. and I'm going to tap this screw with a hammer right there, the plastic cap. Then I'm going to flip it over when I use it, and I'm going to stack up another unit on top. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful.